guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing my hair and my makeup on camera. So today I decided to test this Revlon hair dry for the first time. I had never ever tried this before, and if you want to see the results and my input on it, keep watching, and at the end of the video don't forget to subscribe and follow. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye. We in quarantine right now. No hair, all the hair salons are closed, and I'm tired of washing my hair and let it wet because that's not healthy for my hair. So yeah, so in this video I'm gonna be trying the Revlon hair dryer for the first time, and I will give you my honest opinion and what I think of it. I'm only probably gonna do just one side of my hair on camera, and then the other side off camera, of course, because I have a lot of hair. Otherwise it will stay here forever. Just got this yesterday on the mail, so I really don't know what to expect, and I probably don't even know. So this is how it comes. I'm gonna disconnect it. It comes inside this plastic bag. Like this. They had it in blue also, but I like the black and pink better. How you supposed to? Oh. Oh. Oh, this is so cool. I have this Contour heat protector. I'm gonna apply this because, you know, I'm doing my own hair, so I don't want to damage my hair. It's already pretty damaged. Obsessed. Did my entire hair with this, and it was so good, so smooth. The process wasn't like painful at all. I feel like my hair looks so good to be done at home. Yeah, I'm so impressed. Like at first I was a little skeptical to get it because, you know, I have bad hair. I really cannot do my own hair by myself. So I'm so happy with the results. Like, I can't believe that I did my entire hair with this, and that it was so easy to use, so easy to manage, and my hair looks so good to be done at home. So yeah, I like, you guys don't understand, I had never been able to do my own hair. Like, I had tried, but never, the results never ever has been like this. It had never been so good like this, and it took me less time than when I do it actually with a hair dryer, blow dryer, yeah. So actually I'm gonna do my brow off camera, and then I will be right back. It's the Norvina palette, and I'm only going to be using one color here, the name of Salt, and this is going to be my crease color. I always try to zoom in with this camera, but it doesn't. To do like a spring makeup look, I'm into doing that. So I take that soul color and just blend it in my crease until I'm completely satisfied of how blend it is the eyeshadow. I'm gonna kill my boyfriend. He's listening to music so loud. I'm gonna fuck him off from the distance. So that's that. Then I have here also the Huda Beauty matte melted shadow. It's this one right here. I'll put it far because there so you can see it. And I'm actually gonna cut my crease using the shadow that it doesn't have glitter. So I'm gonna cut the crease. So now I'm gonna take this palette from Anastasia too. This is the Artist palette, and use the color Unicorn. The shimmer from this duo melted shadow from Huda Beauty, and add the shimmer to my inner corner. Primer, I have this Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm gonna prime my skin with this. Correct under my eyes, because lately I have noticed that I have a little bit of blackout. How you call this? Not blackout. Dark circles. Sorry, I'm very behind with drinking my water. For foundation, Naked Stay Naked Foundation by Urban Decay. Concealer, I have the Born This Way Molten Use Sculpting Concealer. Have this brightening powder by KKW Beauty, and I'm gonna use this instead of translucent powder to set my concealer. Yeah, Charlotte Tilbury. So it's coat and highlight. So I'm gonna use this to bronze my skin and to highlight also. I will take the powder from the Wet n Wild Mega Glow palette to cut the contour. I'm gonna use this mascara that I just got yesterday from Essence Lash Princess. I have heard a lot of nice things about this mascara. People say it's very good. A lot of YouTubers love it. This mascara, no joke, people, no joke. Yo estoy in 100 because my camera is about to die on me. So let me see. I don't even know what lipstick. I'm gonna do this too. So for lip liner, my handy dandy loving brown lipstick by NYX. I have this lipstick Colourpop. I have this Anastasia trio, and I'm gonna add a little bit more because the color is super dark, so we need a little bit of wake me up sort of situation. um I feel like I need lip gloss. This is my final look.